Really?
Like Venom.
Is the postie naughty? Why?
Toes.
Cause why? What are you gonna do?
Fuck him.
You gonna what?
Fuck him.
Oh, you're gonna smack him. Oh.
Then boogie that 4.
Really?
Yeah. Then me fat pussy. Cause him lonely.
He needs a big smack, doesn't he?
Yeah, you need big fuck. Then you need big fuck.
Yes.
Cause him not lonely.
He's naughty.
Yeah.
What does naughty people get?
Fun and hit him. Then fuck him.
Really?
And you fuck him, me fuck him.
Okay.
This.